Hey, have I got an excellent, sorry for the pun, interactive for you. If you are looking for a way to help people see that what is on the outside is important, but what is on the inside may even be more important, this is the interactive for you. Hi, I am Jim Stillpepper with Envision Ed Plus, and this is my friend River, and we're going to work through this experiment together. So River, I have a raw egg here, and in a moment I'm going to spin it just like that, and then I'm going to stop it, but take my hand off it almost as soon as I stop it. What do you think is going to happen?
It stops.
You think it'll stop? Okay. All right. So would you like to spin it, or would you like me to spin it?
I'll spin it.
Oh, great. Spinning, stop. But what happened?
It kept going.
It did? What? Let's try that one more time. Why don't you give it another spin? Stop. Keep spinning. Huh. So let's put our science brains on for a minute. Can you make any guesses as to why once we stop a spinning egg, it would keep spinning?
Actually, no, I can't.
All right. So let's see if we can figure out what we know about this raw egg. So we know the shell is on the outside. What's on the inside?
The yolk.
The yolk. And is the yolk solid, or is it kind of squishy and fluid?
It's kind of squishy and fluid.
Yeah, so when it's spinning, the whole thing is spinning, but when I stop it briefly, I'm only stopping the outside. What's happening on the inside?
Oh, it keeps spinning.
Yeah, and so can you think of anything that kind of keeps spinning inside of us sometimes?
No.
Okay. Like sometimes can maybe somebody make you mad and you want to not be mad, but it keeps happening for a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or sometimes things can hurt us, like hurt our hearts, and we want to kind of get over it pretty quickly, but sometimes it just keeps spinning for a while. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
And so eventually, no matter how fast we spin it, and no matter how much it spins afterwards, what's eventually going to happen?
It stops.
It stops, but sometimes not as quickly as we want it. That's the experiment that River and I have for you. Hope that you can use it well. If you've been given a light or an egg, please rise and shine while there is still light. Thank you all so much.